Hi everybody, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. Well, this is another day and we've got rain. It's 57 degrees outside, and as you can see, I'm back in winter clothes again. So tomorrow's another day. Who knows what the weather will be tomorrow. But today, since it's so cold and wet, we're going to make a good old pot of homemade soup. And so we're cleaning out the fridge today for lunch. And so whatever we didn't eat goes in the pot. So here's the pot. There it is. So we're going to fill it up. First of all, I've got some potatoes. These sliced potatoes, as you can see, there they are. And I have rinsed and drained them so they go in the pot. And I'm using sliced potatoes today instead of diced. That's just my call. All right, so we also have cut up a chicken. And I had a rotisserie chicken, parts of a rotisserie chicken that was left over. And I diced up an onion. So I'm going to put the onion in right now. I'm going to cook the potatoes and the onions together to start with. And then I'll start adding in everything else. But we have got green peas, mixed vegetables, tomato soup, and that's all we had left out of the fridge. So then I'm going to go back in the pantry and start rambling and see what kind of veggies I can get. I know I want some corn and I want some lima beans. And then we'll see what else we pull out. So hold tight. Be right back. Okay, so what I've done right now is I have put water in the pot where there is the potatoes and the onions. And I'm going to get them on the stove and get them cooked. I'm going to let them cook for about 15-20 minutes till they're soft and tender. Then I'll start adding in everything else. Okay, we have got our potatoes and onions. There they are. They are parboiled. We'll finish cooking those once we get everything together. So now we're going to add our green peas, which were left over. Just dump it. And we have got some carrots, snap peas, chestnuts, broccoli. I'm debating on whether to put that in here or not. I tell you what, I'm gonna hold that off for a minute. We have got butter beans, lima beans, and corn. And I'm gonna put some of it in it, but not all of it. That looks good. Okay. And then we're going to put a can of tomato soup in it. And probably a can of water also to kind of dilute it a little bit. So I hope everybody's having a good day. And then this evening I'm going to cook a pot of pinto beans. First been requesting that, so while it's cool, feels like fall outside. 57 degrees is kind of cool. So, okay, let's stir all that up together. It's already looking good. Just vegetables. Okay, and this is where we're going to put in all of our chicken. This rotisserie chicken, and I've already gotten it cut up and shredded a little bit. But it'll come apart as it's cooking in here. Oops. Okay. Now that's a good meaty pot of soup. Now, I'm going to get this back on the stove and let it start cooking some more. And then I'll figure out what I need. I know we're going to need salt and pepper, maybe a touch of sugar. But I'll figure out if we need some different type of vegetables also to go in here. Maybe a little bit more tomato. All right, be back a little bit. Okay, I'm back. And the soup has been cooking for a while. And this is what, let me see if you can see it. Hold on. Look at that. It is good and meaty. It's got lots of vegetables in it. Hold on, I'm going to take a picture. See if I can do that. You see the meat in it? That looks so good. Now the only thing I'm going to do to it is I'm going to add some salt and pepper because I haven't done that yet. I'm going to put this back in the pot. Nothing, I have not touched it. Just showing you what it looks like. Okay. But I am going to put some salt and pepper in it. And I am going to put just a tad of sugar in it. And then once it cools down, I'm going to taste it. But right now, this baby is hot. Just came off the stove. This is pepper. That's salt. Okay, we're going to put just a little dash of sweetener in it. This is Splendor. Just a little bit. Okay. That's it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Can you see it? Yum yum. On a cold, this is almost like winter. It's 57 degrees outside. Okay, let's dish up again some more. Okay, can you see how good and meaty that is? Okay, let's see if we can get it to cool down. I'll taste it. Let's see what it needs. May need more salt. But that is so good. It's got so much meat in it. Look at the big chunk. Go get a rotisserie chicken. It does wonders. I use rotisserie chicken for chicken salad, chicken and dressing, chicken soup. But this is what I call a chicken vegetable dump soup, because this is where I go through all my refrigerator and peel out everything that I don't think we're going to finish eating, and it all goes into the pot. So let's take a bite. It is hot. Oh gosh, that's good. Okay, salt and pepper's good. Splendor's good. It's good. Thumbs up. That's good. So thank you for coming and visiting me within the kitchen with Bert and Linda. I appreciate it. We're in my kitchen down in North Carolina, and I'd love for you to come back again and think about it. Subscribe, share, and like our channel. We'd love to have you in the kitchen with us, with our family. So thanks again for visiting me today, and there'll be another video going up tomorrow. Now, I got to eat this soup, and I'm going to put on a pot of pinto beans. I'll show you how to do that. All right, thanks. And remember, God loves you, and so do we. Bye.